Children might have no insurance, sitting in a cold emergency room, confused. At this moment, you need to know that accident didn't just happen. It happened because the careless driver that hit you put what mattered most to them before what mattered most to you, your safety, the safety of your family. I'm attorney Justin Martin. You matter to me.